More great dinners. More green lawns. More movie nights at home. They all start right here, with the people and the equipment that make today's underground utilities possible. Communities all over the world are reinventing themselves. And at Vermeer, we're reinventing the tools that make it happen. It's all about making a big impact with a small footprint. Making lives better. For more bubbly kids. More family fun. More quiet evenings at home, doing nothing. Vermeer, partnering with the ones who help the world be equipped to do more.